Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Dr. Ryan Adnan A. Sala. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the conditional and related statement. Before we start, I just want to ask you that what is conditional and related statement? Hindi nyo alam, no? Miski ako, hindi ko rin alam, kaya ito, basahin ko sa inyo. Conditional and related statement is a statement that can be written in the form if P then Q, where P and Q are sentences. In this report, we're gonna talk about the conditional and statement that related to the conditional. The conditional is may have seen a little arrow P implies Q, or if P then Q. There are statements that involve the conditional that is similar, and we wanna explore how they related to the conditional itself. So for the example, if you turn the implication around and you say if Q then P, we call that the converse. That's what we get if we reverse the conditional. The next one we're going to look is called the inverse. The inverse happens when you negate each of the component statements in the original conditional statement. So instead of P implies Q, we have not P implies not Q. So the order stay the same, but I like to think of it as signs have changed, right? Because it's a negation, you can kind of think of it like algebra sign. So if not P, then not Q is the inverse. And finally, if you change both the signs and the order from the original conditional statement, then you get the if not Q, then not P. And this is called the contrapositive. When the order is reverse only, it's the converse. When the signs change only, it's the inverse. And when both change, that's the contrapositive. That's all for this report. Thank you and wassalam.